Hi, in front of me I have DOOGEE S90 and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, tap on this icon right here. In settings, let's select network and internet. Here let's tap on hotspot and tethering. And then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now we can turn it on and off right here at the top by tapping the slider like this. We can also tap on setup Wi-Fi hotspot right here, and we can change the network name. We can change the security type. Below we have password. When we tap on it, we can change it. Here we can tap on show password to make our password visible. Below we can tap on select AP band. To select the band, we can choose between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Here we have reset OOB button if you need to, and at the bottom we have maximum connections. You can tap on it and select the amount of connections you want to be connected to your network. Maximum, of course, amount. Once you're done, tap save to save the settings. You can also turn it on and off another way, and to do it, just open the quick panel by swiping down twice from the top of the screen. And here you have hotspot icon. You can tap on it to turn it on. And you can tap on it to turn it off. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the hotspot settings. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.